Many people have this question in mind. What good can these video making skills do for me? Is it worth learning? If so, what are the benefits I can expect? Here is the answer. Even if you practice an entirely different profession, it still makes sense to learn these skills. Here are some points below. 1. Communication. Video is a powerful medium for communicating ideas, stories, and information. Learning video content creation allows you to effectively convey your message to a wide audience in an engaging and visually appealing way. 2. Versatility. Video content can be used in various contexts, including marketing, education, entertainment, and social media. By mastering video creation skills, you gain the ability to create content for different purposes and platforms. 3. Career opportunities. Video content creation skills are highly sought after in many industries, including advertising, filmmaking, journalism, education, and digital media. Having these skills can open up opportunities for employment or freelancing in these fields. Apart from that, video content creation can be useful in presenting your narrative about something you would like to convey to your audience, whether it's in academic or professional fields. 4. Creativity. Video production involves a blend of technical skills and creativity. Learning video content creation allows you to explore your creative side by conceptualizing, scripting, and producing visually compelling content. 5. Digital literacy. In today's digital age, being able to create and share video content is an important aspect of digital literacy. By learning video production skills, you become more proficient in using digital tools and platforms for communication and expression. 6. Audience engagement. Video content tends to capture the audience's attention more effectively than other forms of media. Learning how to create engaging videos can help you connect with your audience on a deeper level and build a loyal following. So, learning video content creation is surely a valuable skill that can enhance your communication abilities, expand your career opportunities, and empower you to express your ideas and creativity in a dynamic and impactful way. For a detailed explanation of each of the topics, please consider joining the course mentioned in the advertisement clip that follows. Thank you.
Do you want to know how I made this video? If you are interested in learning video making for YouTube, then please know about this course where you can learn about video making at a very cheap price just by becoming a member of my community. A link to the course is available in the description.